Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about how to join in this website. If you want to know about the work details, then just please complete the demo work video first, because in this video we are just going to discuss about only the joining procedure. So if you want to know about the work, then go and finish that demo work video first. After that, come here. Now click this how to join page. Here you can able to see the registration page. So there is no registration fee in this website. We are not charging any registration fee. We are charging rupees 300 only for our work training video. This work training video contains total work details. So with the help of this work training video, you can able to understand what is the work, how to start, where to give your login ID and password, how to maintain your login ID and password, and where you have to enter your bank details, how you will receive the payment. So like that, we will give you step-by-step procedure in a video format. So that helps you to start your work without any issue. So that is very important. For that work training video, we are charging only rupees 300. So there is no registration fee, and we will provide you different types of support like missed call support, live chat support, mail support, online support, and live seminar class. So if you want support, then according to that only we are charging. So there is no any other hidden fees. Now let's discuss about what is plan 1, plan 2 and plan 3. See here, whatever the plan you choose, you can able to do beginner, developer and achiever work. So beginner work, developer work and achiever work is common in all the three plans. If you want to know about what is beginner work, what is developer work and what is achiever work, then please go and watch demo work video. First complete that video and after that come here. Then only you can able to understand about these works. Here, whatever the plan you choose, works are same, but the only difference is support. If you choose plan 1, then there is no support. That's why charge is less. If you choose plan 2, then you will get a mail support. So charge is little bit high. In plan 3, you will get a call support. So this is the plan 3 charge. So here we are charging as per our support. If you don't want any support, then directly go for plan 1. If you want at least mail support, then go for plan 2. We will recommend this plan 2 because we cannot say that we are very smart and without any type of support we can able to do any work. So that is not possible for everyone. So at least if you take plan 2, then if you face any issues while doing the work, so this mail support helps you. If you have any doubt while doing the work, then you can mail us and you can solve that work immediately. So just consider this plan 1 before considering this. Just consider this plan 2 before considering this plan 1. So most important, you have at least mail support here. In plan 3, you have a call support. So some persons are there, they need a call support because they have some basic knowledge only. So call support is most important for them. Whenever you have doubt, whenever you receive, whenever you get a doubt while doing the work, then you can call us and you can clarify your doubt. We will give you different technical mobile number, so you can call that number and clarify your doubt. So that is most important in plan 3. So here we are charging as per our support, and in plan 1 no support, and here you will get a monthly payment. In plan 2 it's a weekly payment, in plan 3 it's a daily payment, and here you will receive a new job alert. In plan 2 also there is a new job alert, and online support, live seminar is there in plan 3. So please, just before joining, please consider the plans properly. And most importantly, some of them are asking that, sir, initially I am going with plan 1, in future can I take plan 2 or plan 3, like that some of them are asking. So yes, you can do, but the only issue is, suppose if you are joining in plan 1 and now you are paying this 300, in future after a month you are going for plan 3, then you have to pay once again this 2000. We will not deduct this 300 from this 2000. So that is most important. Whenever you change your plan, that is possible, but you have to pay the plan amount once again fully. So that thing you have to consider if you are going to skip the plan. And here this is a offer price only. So this offer price will change anytime. So at the time whatever the offer price, so you have to pay that price only. And here if you are going to join, then you can pay that money directly in our State Bank of India, otherwise Indian Bank. You can do online transfer, otherwise you can go directly to the bank and you can deposit the money. So here our account details are there. So if you pay in if you pay directly in bank, then you have to pay plan 1 300, plan 2 600, plan 3 2000. Here if you are going to pay with Paytm or Google Pay or UPI, then you have some extra benefit. You will get some extra benefit, that is in plan 1 you have to pay only 250, plan 2 500, plan 3 1500. So here see there is the difference between bank payment and Google Pay, Paytm and UPI payment. So you will get some extra discount price here. So after deposit, once the payment is done, just send the following details to this email ID, help.onlinejobportal@gmail.com. Your name, email ID, address, bank account number. So for this particular account number only, we will pay your salary. Suppose if you are not willing to give your account number, then you can able to provide your Paytm number, Google Pay number also. We will pay your salary directly to your Paytm or Google Pay. After that, give your plan number, plan 1 or plan 2 or plan 3, which plan you are going to consider. Next, mobile number, payment proof screenshot is necessary. So whatever the plan you are choosing and whatever the method you are making the payment, so just take the payment proof screenshot and send us. Once that is done, you will receive your account details within 15 minutes. You will receive a password, work training video password to your mail ID. So please, before joining, just consider the plans properly. Once you receive the mail, click here already a member. Now you can able to redirect to the member login page. Here you can able to access your work training videos. So continuously you have many work training videos. You can able to access all work training videos. Only members can access this video. Once you join, we will send you the password to your email ID within 15 minutes. After that, use this password and you can able to see the video. You will get clear information regarding the work. So if you have any doubt in joining, then please call us. We will clarify your doubts.